Hi there, little farmers! Today, we're going to draw a big, strong tractor, just like the ones on the farm. Let's get drawing! First, draw one big circle for the back wheel, super big and strong. Now draw a smaller wheel in the front. Tractors have two different sized wheels. Connect the wheels with a rectangle. That's the body of the tractor. Let's add a square cab on top where the farmer sits. Now draw a steering wheel, a chimney pipe, and a small ladder on the side. You can even draw a trailer behind it or some crops in the field. Let's add some color to this hard-working machine. Many tractors are green or red, but yours can be any color you like. Make the back wheel super dark and tough-looking, and the cab nice and bright. Add some details to make it look extra strong, maybe mud on the tires. And we're finished. Your tractor is ready to help on the farm. Great job, artist! That was an awesome ride through all our drawings. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi, little artists! Today, we're going to draw a cool scooter you can ride to the park. Let's grab a pencil and get started. First, draw two wheels, one in the front and one in the back. Now connect them with a straight line. That's the base of the scooter. Next, let's draw a long vertical line going up from the front wheel. That's the handlebar. Add a curved line at the top for the handles. Now let's add a small kickstand and maybe even a basket or bell on the handle. You can also draw a helmet next to it. Safety first. Now it's time to color. You can choose any color you love, maybe pink, blue, orange, or green. Let's color the wheels dark gray or black. The handles can be a fun color too. Want to add lightning bolts or stars? Go for it. Make it your dream scooter. Awesome job! Your scooter looks amazing, ready to roll and ride anywhere you want. You're a scooter design superstar. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hey builders, today we're drawing a big, strong cement mixer truck, the kind that helps build roads and houses. Let's grab our pencils and start sketching. Start by drawing two big wheels near the bottom of your page. Now draw a rectangle above the wheels. That's the front of the truck where the driver sits. Behind it, let's draw a big oval lying on its side. That's the mixer drum. The drum should be tilted a little, like it's ready to spin. Let's add a small chute at the back where the cement pours out. Don't forget to draw windows, a bumper, and maybe some mud splashes for fun. Now it's coloring time. Let's color the cab bright yellow or red, strong and bold. The drum can be striped with orange and white, or any cool pattern you like. Make the wheels dark gray or black, and the windows sky blue. You can even draw cement dripping out of the back. Careful, it's messy. And that's it. Your cement mixer looks amazing and ready for work at the construction site. Great job, little builder! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, little artists! Today we're drawing something fast and fun, a motorbike. Let's get our pencils ready and start drawing. Let's begin by drawing two big wheels, one in the front and one in the back. Now connect the wheels with two lines. That's the frame of the bike. Next, let's draw the seat, right in the middle. Add a handlebar at the front, curving up like little arms. Let's draw a headlight and maybe a helmet on the seat for safety. You can even add a kickstand or a tiny basket in the back. Now let's color your awesome motorbike. You can use red, blue, green, or even your favorite color. The wheels can be black or gray, and the seat can be any color you like. Add some fun patterns or stickers if you want. Make it truly yours. And we're done. Your motorbike looks amazing and ready to zoom down the road. Great job, artist! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi there, little artists! Today, we're going to draw a fun and friendly car. Get your crayons or markers ready. Let's go! First, let's draw two big round wheels, 1 and 2. Now draw a long rectangle on top. That's the body of our car. Let's add a roof, a little window, and a door. Don't forget the headlights and a smiley front bumper. Look at that! It's already looking like a real car. Maybe it's going to the park or picking up toys. Who knows? Now it's time to add color. Let's make the car bright red, or maybe blue like the sky. The wheels can be black, and the window light blue. You can color yours any way you like. It's your special car. Wow, it's looking amazing already. Keep going. We're all done. You just made your very own car drawing. Great job, artist! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi, little artists! Today we're going to draw a delivery truck, the kind that brings packages to your door. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's begin by drawing two wheels, one in the front and one in the back. Now draw a long rectangle above the wheels. That's the body of the truck. Add a smaller square at the front. This is the driver's cabin. Let's draw the window, a door, and don't forget the big side panel where the packages go. You can even draw a logo or a box on the back of the truck. Want to make it fun? Add a dog peeking out the window or a flying letter. Now it's time to add some color. Delivery trucks can be white, blue, red, or anything you imagine. Let's make the wheels black and the window light blue. Color the body of the truck however you like, maybe even add some stickers or a lightning bolt. Your truck is looking awesome already. And we're done! Your delivery truck is ready to hit the road and bring smiles to everyone's home. Amazing job! Can you guess what we'll draw next?